Now we just this is a solid meal, my people. Solid meal. Make a little finger. This one is a banger. Well soft, nice and rich. You know.
Str8yaad, big up yourself.
Big up Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. The food was 10 out of 10. Of course, one Str8yaad TV. One.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Good morning people, just wake up. You know we are gonna make some breakfast this morning. Nice and fast guys. Okay, and it's something that's full of nutritious, full of energy. Okay, so over here we have 2 eggs guys. Okay, and you know egg is something that pack of nutritious guys. Okay, have a lot of protein, good for your brain, have vitamin B, all kind of stuff it have in it guys. You know how it go already. Okay, so you know egg is very healthy for your heart and liver also, and I could go on with a lot of stuff that eggs have in it. Okay, so just stay tuned. We have 1 sardine over here, so guys, exceptionally something this, you know, have a lot of nutrients, you know. So we are going to work with this too. It's full of protein, full of vitamin. You know it have a lot of stuff in it also. Check out the sardine, okay? Very healthy. So we're going to cook some sardine and eggs together, guys. We're going to make a nice omelette, okay? All right, probably just scramble it if I mind tell me. I have my black pepper here. I have my salt here. I have my black pepper here. I have some onion. I have a tomato, a scotch bonnet. I have scallion, a little thyme, some sweet pepper, guys. Over here I have my frying pan on the fire. I'm gonna get him started, guys, because this is quick and fast. I'm gonna make you a quick, healthy breakfast. Okay? So stay tuned. Watch where I'm going. This can eat with almost anything when it make, guys. You can eat with rice. You can eat with bread. You can eat with fried dumpling, festival. Anything you want to eat it with, even boiled dumpling, even cooked food. Trust me, this can eat with a lot of stuff. This egg and sardine you see here, full of nutrients. Okay, so stay tuned. So right away, we have a pan fire, guys, and we have a pan hot before we add the oil. Okay, so stay tuned and watch what I'm going. The ingredients will be in the description, guys. Okay, all ingredients that we're gonna use today. Okay, guys. So right now, the pan is real hot, so we are going to turn it down a little bit. Add some little olive oil to the pan. You can use any oil of your choice, guys. Just put a little olive oil in the pan, you know. You know how it go. I cook up with aromatics. I know one all the ingredients. I know in our pan. Okay. So, guys, all of this seasoning you see here, they already washed and clean. Okay. So right away, we're going with some tomato. And guys, like I tell you, always use the board for safety. Don't, if you cannot use a knife like me, please to use the board, okay? We are going with 1 tomato, guys. 1 little tomato, okay? Cut up all I can use it and done. We don't leave nothing. We leave all these little part they waste and spoil. No make sense. Just use it and done. Okay, so taking everything off like that. Yeah? This one gonna be so nice, guys. We have 1 peg of sweet pepper here, the red one. I'm going and put some of him in, put a little piece in people. Okay, And we have one sweet pepper here we take out a next little peg out of it. When we say a peg, if you notice the sweet pepper guys, they come with pegs on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In any one of them you can check. Check it and you will see. So I'm taking out just one little peg off of the green one also. Cut him up in like 12. So my pips, quick and fast. And guys, remember when you come on the channel to like and share, comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, guys. It do a lot to the channel, guys. Subscribe is free. Liking is free. Please give the video a thumbs up as soon as you watch the video, guys. And all who not getting the video, please turn on your notification bells, guys. So as soon as I drop the video, you got it. You are the first one to get it. Okay, guys? So stay tuned. Watch what we are dealing with. We have to make some quick and fast breakfast. In the kitchen with it, we have put some time, but we now put this stick, guys. We're just going to take off the leaf, okay? Like this, okay? That's what we're talking about. No stick, just the leaf. Okay? And if piece get away, we take him out. Just the leaf. Now go ahead with like quarter of red onion. Cut him up, put in a pan too also. Know how it go when you go sweet. Very sweet and nice, guys. Delicious. Don't think sardine is not healthy. It's something healthy and nice, guys. Full of nutrients. Okay? Eggs also. Okay? Yeah. That we are going with now, my people. Don't need no high fire on it. Okay. I want a little peg of onion, a garlic, yeah, and 1 peg of garlic. Oh, cut him up last. You know why the reason why I put the garlic last, guys? We don't want it burn and taste bitter. I'll just cut him up fine, but with pegs. Okay, like that. Right now, I have my little whole scotch bonnet here, guys. I'm gonna cut up a little piece. So we are cut up with a little piece of scotch bonnet, yeah? We don't put too much in it, but we need a little heat also in the sardine, you understand? So we need a little piece of scotch bonnet in it. We don't overpower the scotch bonnet, just cut off a little piece because you know it's well hot, the peeps. Alright? Just like that. I have a little bit of scallion here, but I'm not ready to put that in yet. I'm gonna just let that cook up a little bit, my peeps. Go up on the fire now a little bit, so medium high, and we finish cook this up before we start add anything else to the pan. Okay, guys? You could want to smell this, my peeps. Them aroma you're flicking on your nose like crazy, boy. So now we are going with the scallion. Which I use mostly the green part only, guys. Okay. Now I use the bottom part. The white stick too much. So we have like one nice stalk of scallion here and a half of the green part. Yeah, add him in right away. That we are dealing with. Some nice flavors and nice spice, guys. See there? I know how nice this is going to be, my people. So right away now, we are going to go in with the sardine, guys. Let me tell you, it's quick and fast something. Quick and fast. All these are not wasting. They're going right in the pan to cook with the vegetables. All those nice flavors. What I do, we just open them up like that. Some people just break everything and take everything out. It's optional, guys, to you. What I'm doing, if you want to leave everything in, you can leave it in, but I like to take out the bones. Even though they say it's the most nutrient, I don't like the bone too much. I'm going to take out the young ones out of it also, okay? But a lot of people just grind everything up and just eat everything, okay? It's nothing wrong with it, it's good same way. Because they say I'm taking out the nutrients, but I just really don't like the bone. Okay? That one can look small, guys, because we're going to add the next can. Yeah. Now we look like we're cooking sardines. Yep. That is it, my peeps. Quick and fast, healthy breakfast I'm making for you guys. Okay. All right. Just like that. See? Just like that. So it look nice. Like I said, this can eat with anything, my peeps. This and rice is nice. White rice. Wild dumpling. Wild banana. Roast bread fruit. Fried dumpling. Anything you can eat this with, my peeps. It's a healthy breakfast, okay? We are going with some black pepper. You understand? Put some black pepper in right there now, my peeps. Nice little portion of black pepper. And you know, it goes like season up with things, so I'll put a pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt, guys. Optional, you don't have to put it if you don't want to. But I like put a pinch of salt in mine. It bring up the flavor. Okay? With the black pepper and the scotch bonnet pepper. Wow! This is what we're talking about, man. So right now, my peeps, egg time. And I use 2 nice eggs. Try to take out the ice. If you don't want to take them out, you can keep them in. Optional. Everybody do things different. I'm just showing you my way, my peeps. Okay? Alright, so the eyes are out now. These are my peeps. So if I go and beat 2 eggs now, you can add any amount to match the amount of family you're cooking for or the amount of people you're cooking for. I'm just doing this for 2. Probably 3. Don't know if the other one want me, but we know it's for 2 right now. Alright? So you can add up on the ingredients, so you can cook for any amount you want to cook for. And now we just this is a solid meal, my people. Solid meal. A little dash more. I mean, black pepper, but my peeps, not too much. Drop a little oregano upon him. And how it go. That is it. Hit that, you know, my people. Hit that. I'm taking time and go and doing thing. See me? Yeah, my people, making taking time and go and do what I'm doing. So I'm going. Yeah, I'm going good. You know why we do that? We drain him off to the side, so it's just easier to done properly, okay? So everything get a nice flavor. Alright. So it look beautiful, my peeps. Gonna taste beautiful also. Because we're not gonna make it too dry. We're gonna cook it moist. So it's soft and juicy. Alright, my people. It's gonna be so soft and juicy. Because it's big, we cut them in 4 pieces, guys. And turn it over, okay? That is big. I want it to be juicy and nice. I don't want it to be dry. Alright, my people. So, okay, my beautiful people. You see it? You see it look nice and beautiful? That is it. It's done. We're not going to go nowhere with it, guys. We're not going to dry it out. We want it to be nice, soft, and fluffy and juicy, okay? So, we're going to throw him out of the pan. We're going to dig in it for you guys. I'm going to make some tea. Something to eat with quick and fast, okay? But you can eat it with anything you want, guys. So, guys, remember, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please to subscribe, guys. And if you're not turning on the post notification, please turn on the post notification. So as soon as I drop the video, you got the video, guys. And remember, as soon as you're watching the video, give it a thumbs up, guys. Do a lot to us, okay? One love, Str8yaad TV, always in the kitchen, guys. This one is a banger. Alright, the people. We're gonna make some Milo tea right now for eat. It's breakfast time, you know, people. Breakfast time. So what I make 2 spoons of Milo, yeah? You know, I mix up 2 teaspoons in my cup. I'm going to add some milk. And you know how it go. Rinse off the Milo off some spoon. Add 2 teaspoons of milk. That's all I'm adding, my people. To my tea. That's my Milo tea. I'm making my Milo tea right here. This is what we're going to match with it, my people. And all I got to do, just get some hot boiling water and add it to my Milo. This is my Milo tea, my people. This is what I'm gonna eat my breakfast with. Okay? My Milo tea. All you gotta do, pour it in some hot boiling water and mix. And mix. Ready to go. That is it, you know, my people. This nice, beautiful tea here. See there? Ready to go. Right flavor. That is what we're talking about. So, we are going to dig in right now for my people. We're going to close up the video. And guys, we always have some crazy content coming out for you all the time. So keep watching Str8yaad TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel. You know it go. Keep be a part of the family, people. So, let me go down in this area now. First, next spoon one. If you take up. Make a little sandwich here. That's what I'm gonna do now. Make a nice, beautiful sandwich. See that, my peeps? And I'm just gonna lay one piece of pear on the top like that. And then I'm gonna just make a nice, beautiful sandwich like this. See that, my peeps? That is it. I'm gonna dive it. Make a big finger. Nothing nice like my hot Milo tea. Guys, remember, one Str8yaad TV, always in the kitchen, up and running, guys. This breakfast, try it out, guys. Never miss. Do the same exact thing like me. Come out with perfect result, guys. I'm gonna sit down and eat my breakfast. So one love. Take care. Str8yaad TV. Up. Out.